Most construction teams don't fail because of bad workers. They fail because information gets lost between the field and the office. Here's the truth no one tells you. Fieldwire is built to solve that exact problem, but whether it is worth it in 2026 depends on how complex your construction workflow actually is. In this review, you'll see what Fieldwire does well, where it struggles, and whether it is the right fit for your construction team. Let's start with what Fieldwire actually is. It is a construction field management platform designed to connect field teams with office teams in real time. The focus is not on invoicing or CRM. It is on job site coordination, task tracking, and plan management. Now here's where it gets interesting. One of Fieldwire's strongest features is its task system. A site supervisor like Jake can assign tasks directly to workers, attach photos, add deadlines, and track completion in real time. This removes confusion on busy job sites where instructions usually get lost in messages or paper notes. But here's the problem. Fieldwire is very focused on field execution, not full business management. So if you are looking for a tool that handles quoting, invoicing, and customer management, you will need to combine it with other software. Let's talk about drawings and plans. Fieldwire allows teams to upload construction drawings and mark them up directly. Workers can open blueprints on their phone or tablet, zoom in, and see exactly what needs to be done. This is especially useful for larger sites where multiple teams are working on different sections. A project manager like Alex can update plans instantly, and every worker sees the changes in real time. That reduces mistakes and rework, which is one of the biggest costs in construction. Now, here's another key feature. Fieldwire works offline. That means workers can still access tasks and plans, even in areas with no internet connection. Once they reconnect, everything syncs automatically. This is a major advantage for remote or underground job sites. But there is a trade-off. While Fieldwire is excellent for coordination, it does not replace full ERP or business management systems. It is a field execution tool, not an all-in-one business platform. So is Fieldwire worth it in 2026? Yes, if your biggest problem is communication breakdown between office and field teams. It is especially strong for contractors, site managers, and construction crews that need real-time task control. But if you are looking for invoicing, customer management, and full financial tracking in one system, you will need additional software alongside it. The key takeaway is simple. Fieldwire is not about running your whole business. It is about making sure your job site runs smoothly without confusion. If that is your main challenge, then it can absolutely be worth it. If this review helped you understand Fieldwire better, like, comment, and subscribe for more construction software breakdowns like this.